Hi, I'm from the Customer Success Engineering team. In this series of short videos, we'll be taking a look at recommendations for forwarding your traffic to the Zero Trust Exchange. This is Part 7, discussing private service edges. Private service edges are an on-premise solution by Zscaler, which act as an extension of the public Zscaler cloud. Like public service edges, private service edges connect to the Zscaler Central Authority and Zscaler logging routers, and then apply the policies you have already configured in your ZIA admin portal to any of your traffic routed through the private service edge and log the resulting actions to the Zscaler cloud. In other words, they work in all ways like public service edges while being hosted inside your environment. Private service edges can be physical or virtual. Physical private service edges are Zscaler-provided hardware that sits in your data centers with the same physical capabilities as the hardware inside Zscaler data centers. Zscaler is responsible for monitoring these. Virtual service edges are virtual machines that perform the same role and can be hosted on-premise or in the cloud without requiring hardware. Responsibility for monitoring virtual private service edges falls with you, the customer. In both cases, Zscaler performs automated software and security updates for you. Private service edges have several use cases. Here are a few examples. Accessing sites that require a specific source IP address, whether for security reasons because authentication is tied to a known source IP, or because users are required to have an in-country IP address, but Zscaler has no point of presence in that country. Locations where the nearest public service edge is sufficiently far away that users would have a high latency. Services that require a dedicated egress IP. Regulatory requirements that restrict the use of public service edges. Cases where users need to see content local to their country, which does not contain an existing Zscaler public service edge. As both physical and virtual private service edges can cover all these use cases, choosing between them is largely a question of capacity and ability to host them. Physical private service edges have a significantly higher throughput than virtual ones, and so are able to be used for larger locations, but require the ability to host hardware and require public IP addresses. These factors should all be kept in mind when choosing between physical and virtual private service edges in order to make the best possible choice for your network environment, your requirements, and your chosen use cases. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching!